The Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development responded in 3 key areas of development in 2022. A major milestone achievement for the ministry was 3 multi-million-dollar modern fire stations constructed in Montego Bay, Old Harbour, and Yallas. Several markets were upgraded, and the newly rebuilt Hopewell Market in Hanover opened. In Trelawney, the Clarkstown Market shops were opened for occupancy.
Under the Paint the City initiative, we are looking to improve our urban space. You go to Crab Circle at Heroes Park, looks spanking nice and pretty. We're going to Lucy. We are spending funds, Madam Speaker, right across to transform spaces in Jamaica.
More social infrastructure successes included the establishment of the first adult transitional center for the homeless on King Street in Kingston. Infirmaries were upgraded in several parishes. Additionally, 9 families from 4th Street Olympic Gardens, who were displaced by fire in 2018, received keys to a 12-unit apartment built under the Indigent Social Housing Program.
The works scheduled for this project included water, electrical infrastructure, internet access, roads, sidewalks, community parks, indigent housing.
That's $223 million allocated in a rural development program for the Chambers Pen community in Hanover. Meanwhile,
I had also carry or push on my bicycle 4 of the 5-gallon jug of water in order for us to get water at the house to use, thanks to the government of Jamaica that bring this supply to us.
2022 marked a turning point, and government was finally able to end restrictions under the Disaster Risk Management Act. Other disaster management acts involved giving flood relief checks of more than $8 million to Port Maria small business operators, vendors, and residents affected by severe flooding earlier in the year. The National Solid Waste Management Authority (NSWMA) was active and innovative in 2022. One key development was the launch of electronic waste collection service at 5 of its locations. And in a major move late in the year, the NSWMA's garbage collection capacity was boosted with 50 new compactor trucks. 10 new bikes were also bought for the enforcement team to monitor the illegal dumping of garbage across the island.
The new revolutionary approach to garbage collection. This ministry now has a higher and wider level of service to provide to ensure that the vast majority of people of Jamaica are finally and permanently brought into the development curve.